Look, here's a quail. The quail is a small bird that loves to run fast. Can you say quail? Awesome! And here's a quokka. Quokkas are the happiest animals in the world. Say quokka. This is a quince. It looks like an apple and a pear mixed together. Yum! Can you say quince? That's right. It's a quad bike. A quad bike has 4 wheels and is super fun to ride. Say quad bike. Did you know there's a dwarf planet called Quaoar? It's far away in space. Can you say Quaoar? Meet Mr. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. Can you say quadrilateral? Wow, today we learned so many cool things that start with Q. Let's remember them: quail, quokka, quince, quad bike, quaoar, quadrilateral. Great job, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Happy English World for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye!